Okay, let's do a little bit easier lock today. This is a Lince, L-I-N-C-E, from Spain. It's a 3/50. It's a 5-pin. Do not have a key with it, or Adrian in Spain did not send me a key with this lock. Okay, it is locked. This is the keyway. Okay, it is locked up. Let me put the tension wrench in there and make sure that, okay, it won't turn. Alright, let's open it up. It's a 5-pin, and like I said, he didn't have a key for this lock, so let's see what we can do with it. Let's see, let's try this pick. May have to change picks. It may be too thick for this keyway. Okay, we got a little bit out of pin 4, pin 3, pin 2, and pin 1. Got a little false set out of pin 1. Yeah, let's change picks. That one's a little thick, won't go up in the keyway right. See what we got now. Okay, getting some feedback off pin 5. Okay, there it is, open. Okay, I appreciate this lock, Adrian. And like I said, it's a Lince from Spain. It's a 350. So I appreciate it. Thank you very much for watching. Please do not do anything illegal, and please stay out of trouble.